Hello everyone. This is a question from indices which says 16 over 81 raised to power minus 3 over 4. Now, solving it, we now go by saying equals to 1 over 16 all over 81 in bracket 3 raised to power 3 over 4. How come about this one all over? What came about this one all over is raised to power minus number, minus sign you are seeing here. When you see a minus sign, I've treated it before. When you see a minus sign like this, it means raising coefficient of any number, coefficient of this to a fraction. What do I mean? If you have a raised to power minus 1, it means 1 all over a, meaning that this minus sign has the power to lift the coefficient of this a to be 1 all over. Coefficient of a here is 1, even though this means 1a. It means 1a. So the coefficient of this a is 1. When you have 2a raised to power minus 1, the coefficient of a here is 2. So it will now be 2 all over a. Okay. So this minus sign now will now have power to lift this coefficient of a up to be 2 all over a. That was what happened here. The coefficient of 16 over 81 is 1, even though you are not seeing it, okay? It means 1, okay? That means it will now, the minus sign has the power to lift that 1 all over 16 over 81, which if we continue, we now have 1 over square 1 over fourth root 16 over 81 all in bracket 3. Okay, all in bracket raised to power 3. What came about fourth root? What came about fourth root is this fraction here. In indices, I've treated it before. When you have a fraction power of a number in indices or in mathematics, just like the way this one is now, then the denominator, which is the number down, will now be the cause of any root of the number. This is 4. That is why it is root 4. 4 root. Okay, that is why it's 4 root 16 all over 81. If it's 2, that is here now, it will now be square root. If it's 3, it will now be cube root. If it's 5, it will now be 5 root. So it is 4. That is why it is 4 root 16 over 81. Then the numerator, which will be on top, is now this one that we raise to power 3 now. Okay. If we continue our mathematics now, we now have 1 all over root 16 is 2 all over root 4 root 16 is 2. Then 4 root 81 is 3 all raised to power 3. This 3 here, okay, which when we continue to expand, it will now be 1 over 3, 2 raised to power 3 means 2 times 2 times 2 into 3, which 2 times 2 times 2 into 3 will give us 8. This one, the same thing, 3 raised to power 3 means 3 times 3 times 3 into 3, which will give us 27. Then we now have 1 divided by, because 1 all over means 1 divided by, okay? 1 divided by 8 over 27, which is 1. When this changes to times, then this fraction here will turn upside down. We now have 27 as the numerator, that is on top, all over 8 down, as a result of changing the division sign to multiplication sign, which will now have 1 times 27 is 27 all over 8 answer, which if you further to divide, we now have 3 whole number, 3 over 8 final answer. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, please make sure you subscribe and follow. Thank you and God bless.